G'day folks, just a quick update on a new feature that's been in the works with Tradify for a little while now. So we've been testing the new to-do list function and this one's just been updated with a bit more capability. So it's been released as a basic function initially, but they've just added some new capability to it where now you can create to-do items within the web console, and you can now also create them within the mobile app. So it's just a basic to-do list, nothing more fancy than that. You can create a task, we can give it a description. This is a to-do item, and we can put a due date on it and say it needs to be done by Monday, and you can give it a color and we can save it. So can't add it to jobs at this stage. We can only create these to-do items for ourselves or for yourself, whoever you're logged in as. But what has improved is that you can now, in the mobile app, you can now view these to-do items, and you can just bring this over here. You can view your to-do items. So in my app here, if I go into more, which is where I am now, just go back to my scheduler, go into more, I've got the to-do list there, and now I can see my to-do list. I'm logged in as a different user, that's why it looks a bit different here, but logged in as a different user on my phone, I can view my to-do list. I can tick my to-do list items off, tick tick. I can view my done items, but now with the latest update of the iOS app and the Android app, you can hit the plus button. We can create a new to-do item, and we can put a due date on it. So let's say the 27th on Tuesday. We can give it a nice pretty color and we can save it. So that is the new update to this feature, and no doubt it will get even better as they add more stuff into it. Hopefully we're going to see to-do items available within jobs, which would be pretty cool, and the ability to assign to-do items to other people and be able to see whether they've done them or not. But yeah, we will see what the future holds for this one, but a good little addition just to help you keep on top of things that you need to do. If you want to know a bit more about this, feel free to reach out to us, and if you are keen to get this feature turned on for your account, just let us know, and we will make sure that happens with Tradify. So yeah, any questions, feel free to yell out.